ABC alphabet. Proverbs chapter 4. Listen, my sons, to father's instruction. Pay attention and gain understanding. I give you sound learning, so do not forsake my teaching. When I was a boy in my father's house, still tender and an only child of mother, he told me and said, lay hold of my words with all your heart. Keep my commands and you will live. Get wisdom, get understanding. Do not forget my words or swerve from them. Do not forsake wisdom, and she will protect you. Love her, and she will watch over you. Wisdom is supreme, therefore get wisdom. Though it cost all you have, get understanding. Esteem her, and she will exalt you. Embrace her, and she will honor you. She will set a garland of grace on your head and present you with a crown of splendor. Listen, my son, accept what I say, and the years of your life will be many. I guide you in the way of wisdom and lead you along straight path. When you walk, your step will not be hampered. When you run, you'll not stumble. Hold on to instruction, do not let it go. Guard it well, for it's your life. Do not set foot on the path of the wicked, or walk in the way of an evil man. Avoid it. Do not travel on it. Turn from it and go on your way. For they cannot sleep till they do evil. They are locked of slumber till they make someone fall. They eat the bread of wickedness and drink the wine of violence. The path of the righteous is like the first gleam of dawn, shining ever brighter till the full light of the day. But the way of the wicked is like a deep darkness. They do not know what makes them stumble. My son, pay attention to what I say. Listen closely to my words. Do not let them out of your sight. Keep them within your heart, for they are life to those who find them and health to man's whole body. Above all else, guard your heart, for it is the wellspring of life. Put away perversity from your mouth. Keep corrupt talk far from your lips. Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you. Make a level path for your feet, and take only ways that are firm. Do not swerve to the right or the left. Keep your foot from evil. Appreciate it. Subscribe it. Proverbs Chapter 4 Vocabularies. Gain understanding. 이해력을 얻어라. 명철을 얻어라. Lay hold of my word. 내 말을 마음에 두라. With all your heart. Lay hold of my words with all your heart. Swerve. S-W-E-R-V-E. 벗어나다. Swerve. Watch over. Watch over. W-A-T-C-H-O-V-E-R. O-V-E-R. 지키다. Watch over. Watch over. Supreme. Supreme. 최고의. Supreme. Esteem. E-S-T-E-E-M. 존중하다. Exalt. E-X-A-L-T. 높이다. Embrace. 포옹하다. E-M-B-R-A-C. Hamper. 방해하다. Embrace. 받아들이다. Discernment. 분별력이죠. Nourishment. 자양분. Swerve from. 뭐뭐에서 벗어나다. Present A with B 하면 A에게 B를 주다. Stumble. 곤두박질 치다. 곤두박질 치다. S-T-U-M-B-L-E. Stumble. Guard it well. 잘 지키다. G-U-A-R-D-I-T-W-E-L-L. 잘 지키다. Guard it well. Turn from it. Turn from it. 돌이키다. Turn. T-U-R-N-F-R-O-M-I-T. Turn from it. Robbed over. Robbed over. 무엇을 빼앗기다. Be robbed over. B-E-R-O-B-B-E-D-O-F. 뭐뭐를 빼앗기다. Slumber. S-L-U-M-B-E-R. 수면. Slumber. Slumber. The full light of day. The full light of day. 한낮의 광명. Shining ever brighter. 크게 빛나는. Shining ever brighter. Gleam. G-L-E-A-M. 미광. 미광. Gleam. The wellspring of life. Wellspring. W-E-L-L-S-P-R-I-N-G. 원천. Wellspring. 근원. Perversity. Perversity. P-E-R-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y. Perversity. 삐뚤어진 성미. Gaze. G-A-Z-E. G-A-Z-E. G-A-Z. 시선, 눈길. Gaze. 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 F-I-R-M. Firm. 든든한. appreciate it. Subscribe it.